That's like the big kahuna of the makeup in the makeup world.
Well, sorry. Hey everybody, welcome to All New Scars, Home Reviews, and Welcome for tuning in. Alright, so this is a new video, a new segment on my channel, which is makeup products that I'm not purchasing anymore. Okay? So, we're going to start off with the big guns, okay? And I know y'all probably going to throw tomatoes at me. Y'all probably going to look at me like, what is she talking about? Well, we're going to talk about the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm sorry. It took me a while to get it, first off. And everybody was talking about it, hyping it up. It's good, this and that and the third, and ba-da-ba-da-ba. And I was like, okay, I'll finally give in and purchase this $27 concealer. So I did. And I purchased it from Ulta. This was a while ago, before Ulta had its, little what's going on with it now. But I purchased it, and when I wanted to get it, I wanted to get something a little bit like lighter, because I wanted to use it as like an under eye highlight. But the lady was selling it to me as a, trying to match it to my skin type deal. So she did, and of course I didn't go there with no makeup. So she basically gave me probably like the darkest color that was there. I forgot what shade it was, but I don't know what she was matching. So I was like, you know what, maybe I can use this to cover up my dark circles. I'll wait. It not only basically kind of, I don't know what it did with my dark circles. Okay, let's just rewind back. I went home and I was so souped because I finally got the Tarte Shape Tape, okay? And I was like, you know what, I'll just use it for this or whatever like that. I put it on to make it like I'm concealing. What was it concealing? It made my dark circles more prominent. I was like, really, Tarte Shape Tape? Really, Tarte Shape Tape? Okay. So I'm like, no. And double no with a big N, because I don't understand this. I was like, okay, this is supposed to be concealing. All right, I know you're probably like, well, you got the wrong, color. Maybe it's the wrong color, this and the third. First of all, it was too thick. I'm like, I can't. This is just too much for me. All right, it was just too thick. I didn't have the time for all that. So I just basically took it back. I didn't even want to get the lighter one because I'm like, you know what? I just can't. I'm just going to take it back altogether. I didn't like it. I did not like it. I didn't like the way it felt. I just didn't like it, and all the hype was not there for me. So that's a product that I am not interested in, and I won't buy anymore. I will not waste my time on that. So I apologize to everybody, but everybody probably like,
oh, Shape Tape. That's like the big kahuna of the makeup in the makeup world.
Well, sorry to let you know that I have other concealers that's way more better and that costs way less. Way less. $6. Okay? So nobody has time for that. I will not buy that again. I'm sorry, y'all. I know y'all probably hate me right now. I know y'all probably looking at me sideways like, how you gonna talk about Tarte Shape Tape like that? I know, I understand. I apologize. That's why I never done a review, because I'm like, there's no point. So that's one of the products I will not buy ever in life, or the next life, or the life after that. So yeah, so I apologize, y'all. Let me wipe off the tomatoes. I had to wipe off the tomatoes. All right, so another product. This is the last product. I'm only going to do 2 products per video. All right, so this product is, I have it with me. Okay, the other one I gave back to Ulta. I had 3 of them. Okay, y'all probably gonna throw tomatoes at me too, because this was hyped up on YouTube too as well. Okay, very hyped up. The Maybelline Fits Me powder. I was so back and forth with this. because I saw one of my favorite beauty gurus. Okay, I saw one of my favorite, beauty. She did it. She was like, if you wait a little bit after you put the concealer on, bada, trying to make it sound good. Okay, whatever. But it did work for her. Okay, then you had some people, the bad reviews. She did say it did clump up on her, but she used it again and said she had to wait until the concealer dry. Okay, I tried that too, and no. Okay, then somebody else was saying, a bad review was saying that it clumped up, and I saw like probably over 100 reviews on this. Not kidding, because it took me forever to purchase this. And I purchased this probably like about 4 months ago. I forgot, or 5 months ago. I forgot when this came out. This came out like sometime last year, okay? No. And and at the same time, I still want to try it because I do have it, okay? This is a video saying I'm not going to purchase it again. But I want to try it, still try it. I tried this like 4 times. I didn't come on video because I was just like, no, okay? I tried it. I did it with the concealer. I put it under my eye. I didn't wait, so it clumped up a little bit. I saw it clump it. I was like, oh! So I had to start over and use whatever powder that I was using before. Then I was like, okay, let it sit. Let the concealer wait. Let it sit. Whatever like that. I let it sit. I let my concealer sit for like a good 5 minutes probably. Went on there. I only put a little bit. Y'all probably like, oh, you probably used too much. No, I didn't. If you guys see my, when I put on my makeup, you see that I put very little product under my eyes. Because I was going to use this as a under eye setting because you guys know I have bad creasing. So I did that. It was just bad. I tried it again before church. I was like, okay, maybe let me just try it or whatever like that. And I'll talk about it, whatever like that. I didn't want to review this. I was like, no. It was just all around no for me. Every time I put it on, it was not working. It was not smooth selling for me. Don't get me wrong. The price is right. It definitely is right. It is affordable. But at the same time, it is not working for me. I know y'all probably going to throw tomatoes at me. I know y'all throwing a whole bunch of stuff at me. But I'm sorry, y'all. But this ain't working for me. Okay? It may work for you. What may not work for me may work for you and vice versa. But I got medium and medium deep, and I think I got another one. So, the packaging is cute. Okay, Maybelline, you did a good job with that, but I can't. I can't rock with this. Like, the packaging is good, and it is finely milled and stuff like that. But as far as like, putting it on, it don't flow. It don't go right. And I was just like, no. So that's a product that I won't buy again. I will not buy that again. I may try it one more time. And I may do a review. I don't know. But I might just try it when I'm not doing anything or I'm not going anywhere. But I'm just telling you, it looked terrible. I don't have any pictures. I don't have anything because I was not taking pictures of that. It just didn't look right. It was clumping up. It was just no. It was just no. I was like, Maybelline, no. The idea and the potential was there. It was there. The potential was there. But it didn't fall all the way through for me. So it's sad to say that I will not purchase this product again. And this is not really a review. It's just how I feel about this product solely. I'm not going to do my questions because it's just no for me. But this is not to discourage you to not purchase this product. Because like I said, what may not work for me may work for you and vice versa. So I encourage people to buy or purchase the products, to try it on themselves because it may work. But at the same time, it's not working for me. So the products that I mentioned, I did purchase with my own money. But I definitely do encourage you to try it on your own to see if you like it or not, and not just go off by what I say, and that's it. It's just no. So I know a lot of people are going to say you put too much powder. You didn't get the right color. It wasn't about that. I didn't wait long. I waited 5 minutes, y'all. 5 minutes. Now, how long I'm going to wait? Okay? I literally waited 5 minutes until I put the powder on, and it still was acting up. So I just can't. And I'm not even going to put it on user error or consumer error because the powder that I'm using now is not clumping up. It's not doing that. The powder that I'm using now is working correctly. And y'all know what powder I'm using. So is not consumer error. Just like the Tarte Shape Tape is not consumer error. Because why would a concealer make your dark circles more prominent? Come on. But anyway, I digress. So that's it, y'all. I'm not trying to throw these companies on the bus because I do use, products from Maybelline. I don't use any products from Tarte, but I do use products from Maybelline. And I like their products. But that product was no for me. Everything is not going to work for everybody. So just keep that in mind. So again, let me remove the tomatoes. Because I know y'all threw it at me. I know y'all probably had a heart attack, so I hope y'all woke up from y'all coma. But anyway, let me stop. But yeah, so that's basically about that. So yeah, so those are the products that I will not purchase anymore. That's new on my channel. If you want more videos like this, please let me know so I can come on here and show you guys, because these will probably be videos that if I don't like the product, I'm not going to do a review. I'm just basically going to come on here and do a video like this. So let me know if you like this type of video, okay? And then dialogue down there with me, because if you bought it, did you like it, or if you're experiencing the same thing? Because I was experiencing clumps, like it wasn't smoothing out right for me. Like it was just like no. I would have went wherever I was going and looking a mess. Like, and I'm like, who did your makeup? Like, were you crying? I don't know. But anyway, I digress. All right, so that's basically it, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you want to try these products, go ahead. I highly encourage you to to try them. If you like. But at the end of the day, they're not on my makeup list anymore. Okay? All right. So if you have any questions about service with the lads, that's called the Marquis 970. Thanks for watching. Peace. Bye.